Welcome back and let's continue with the series of Python by WS Cube Tech. I am Nehal and this particular video will talk about how you can delete any record from your database. So let's get started. So up till now we have seen like how to create a table, how to create a database, then how to create a table and insert the data into their table. We even saw how you can display those all records here in Python over your console and all. Now, what if you want to delete a particular record, and that thing we are going to see in this video. Now, see for example over here, you can see over here that this DB browser for SQLite, you can see these were the all records which are there inside our table named student, all right. And suppose you want to delete a particular record over here. So we are going to do that thing with the help of Python, and uh, uh, over the Python we are going to write the query, and we will just where we are going to update this thing, we're going to see the updated result over here. So let's see over here. So we'll just head over to our PyCharm, and in my this I have created a new file over here with the name of delete.py, and py is nothing but the extension for our Python file. So what I want to do is I want to make use of this delete query. So simply what I want to do is first I want to import the SQLite. So I will just say import, I will say SQLite, and once it is done I have to establish the connection. So I will say SQLite dot connect, and inside this I will just write the name of the database that I want to connect. So it is stu student dot db. I will just give this store this in a variable name that is mydb. And once I have established a connection, so this is the existing database that I have, so it is just going to connect the same, it is not going to create a new one. So now what I want to do is I want to make use of this execute command. So what I will do is mydb.execute, and inside this I have to write down the query. So the query that I want to write is to delete a particular record. So I will just say delete from table name, and now you want to give a condition over here, like from where, like which record you want to delete. So I will just say where, and you can just come over here and you can just check for the fields. Like you can either use this s underscore r number, or you can use this one that is s underscore name. So first we'll see this one, s underscore r number. So I'm just going to see this s underscore r number. So what I'm basically doing is delete from student where this is underscore s underscore r number, and say I want to just give the value as now just check it out like which record you want to delete. So this is our s underscore r number, and say suppose I want to delete this Ravi, all right. So I'm just going to say this too. So let's go over here. So I will just say it's 2. So this is the delete the statement which I have written here in my Python, that is delete from the table name that is student, and where this s underscore r number is equal to 2. So this is the thing. And once I'm done with this, just make sure that you make use of the commit method over here. So I will simply say mydb dot commit. This will just save the changes, and the last one is just close your connection. So I will just say close. And once I'm done with this, and I'm just going to run. All right, so as soon as I just run this thing, and you can see that it says that you can even just print over your message. But now in order to check that thing, that whether that particular record has been deleted from here or not, we'll just head over to a DB browser over here, and we'll just open this thing, and we'll just say open the database. And inside this again you just go to your file, that is local c, just go to your path where your database is created, and when you just open it over here, you're going to see this thing. And inside this, as when you go to the browse data and when you do a refresh over here, so you can see that that particular record has been deleted from here. That too, the Ravi thing was deleted. So this is how you make use of this delete statement uh, in your Python over here. So we can even just delete the thing like from the name itself. So suppose this is S name, so I want to delete now, say Pratik will delete, for example. So what I'm going to do is like S name, so I will just say that where S name, I will say S name is equal to Pratik, all right. And I will just simply run this. So when I just, yeah, so that's, it was giving an error of that thing, the single quotes. And you can see that it has been executed. And now in order to check that thing, just head over to your DB browser from here, and over here just you say open database, and just go with that path where your database is stored. And once you just load that thing, so you're going to see that which record has been deleted. And you can see that the record, the Pratik record has been deleted. All right. So this is how you can just make use of this delete statement over here. So we'll just do a quick recap in this. So what we did over here is like we simply first we imported this module, that is SQLite 3, and then we established the connection. And in order to do that thing, what I did, this connect method is a part of this SQLite 3, and so I have to make use of SQLite dot and then this connect you're going to see in that pop-up which comes over there. And here what are you going to do is like you need to pass the DB, the name of your database over here. And the next thing what we did is we want to make use of this execute command, and inside this you need to fire a query, and this is your query for the delete statement. That is whatever the statement you want to delete, whatever the record you want to delete. So what you're going to do is you're going to say delete from the table name, and just this where just specifies that which particular record you want to delete. So in this case you can just go to your DB browser, and you can check for it like which field name you are having, and depending upon the field name you can just uh, type your query. So as you can see, first we did with the SR roll, the roll number, R number, and here we even deleted the record with the S underscore name. And you just pass the value over here, that is in this case we have passed Pratik. And then just make sure that you commit the changes, that is you just save the changes. So just make sure that you use this commit method over here. And at last you are just simply closing your connection over here. And when you just do this thing, so you are going to see that. And just remember one thing, that while executing the statement, you make sure that your DB browser is closed. Otherwise sometimes it happens such that it gives you an error. So just make sure that you just close this thing, and then you just make sure that you execute this thing. So this was all about using the delete statement in Python. I hope you are clear with this thing, and see you in the next video.